Jiangsu Highway Plastics Industry Technology Company Limited, established in 2014, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of PE water supply pipes, HDPE drainage pipes, PE steel net skeleton plastic pipes, PE pipe fittings, and PE fuse tubes. Our company located in Jiangyin City with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Our company has sufficient experience in producing PE pipes for many uses, and we have our own big factory, quality inspection team, and excellent production capacity. We can produce a large number of high-quality pipes and pipe fittings in a short period. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including differential scanning calorimeter. In addition, we have obtained many certificates, such as ISO 9001 Quality Management System Certification and ISO 14001 Environmental Management System Certification. Our products have been selling well in many cities and provinces all around China. Besides, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Africa and India. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.